Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on Suno app. You will go here to settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings, and above here we search about Suno. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. You will click on storage. In this page, you will click on clear cache. Here will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.